typically when we source products from somewhere like Alibaba, for instance, what we'll do is we'll find our product and then we'll contact the supplier. So this is just the one over here. Let's see if I can just highlight that. No, I can't highlight that. Contact supplier, which is just about kind of here, kind of area, just to your right. I can't highlight it, which is a pain, but it's just there. And we'll contact the supplier and then we'll start the conversation to get our samples, negotiate our prices, yada, yada, yada. Anywho, what Vred spotted, so if I just click on contact supplier, what Vred spotted was down here where it says agree to share business card with supplier and then recommend matching suppliers. What Vred figured out was if you tick that as well and make sure that's highlighted, what you'll actually do is you'll get lots and lots of new suppliers who can't actually afford to either advertise on Alibaba, because you can just like all platforms, Alibaba's got its own PPC program, which is extremely expensive, by the way. But anyway, or they're only new suppliers, so they don't rank very well yet. But by clicking on that, you actually end up getting heaps more people contacting you. And not only that, the people that are contacting you tend to be brand spankly new people, and you can negotiate really good rates with them, and it works out really, really well for you when it comes to getting your products and getting your products sourced from overseas as a way of doing that. It's a cool little tip, so easy to do, and it's not on by default. So when you go through and click just like I did, make sure you click it, so you highlight it just like that, and then it will be on, and you too will get heaps and heaps more quotes, people contacting you who you can then negotiate with and find the perfect supplier for your first, second, third, 80th product on Amazon, no matter what it is. It's a really, really good idea. So thank you so much for that, Vred. Really, really well spotted. And I thought that was brilliant. Now, what I'm going to do as well is I'm going to copy and paste this link and copy link location. And I will put that in the chat for you. Doink, doink, doink. So send to all. So that's now in the chat for you. And you can actually just go directly to that post, what Vred said, and go and have a look at that. It's such a good idea. So simple, but really, really well thought out. I thought it was a cool tip for you and a great way to start this evening's proceedings, and we shall start as we mean to go on. All right, so that's the first thing from Vred. Very, very cool. Massive thanks to that, Vred, and a massive, massive thanks to everybody what contributes so much awesome stuff to the AOE community through our Facebook group. It is greatly appreciated, not just by myself, but by everybody in it. Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really, really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales I've used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue, who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on, a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.